What's going on YouTube? Here at the gun show. Everything at the gun show. We're at me and Tato. She got everything at the gun show. They got choppers.
You know, putting up on my day, I don't give a fuck.
They got books too.
Yeah. That's something new.
So the guys like the definitely class. Gotta have some music playing when I show all this.
Oh, fucking proud.
They got food and stuff here.
Got that shit on there.
Oh my God! In case you get. No cop eyes are like Tom. They hit the in the neck, I'm tryna put one in they dome. Catch my boy locking, I send some shots while I'm alone. Pussy get active, we bust them blicks, we look like Tom. Boy, you need to stop it. Quit the capping, bitch, I keep on stacking. You rather make a caption, don't got no money attraction. I had to find my glove and boss it up and look what happened. All them niggas sleep, let them niggas keep on napping. I'm adding, not subtracting, this ain't near from trapping. I can work it out and double back, this shit ain't nothing. Yeah, we just looking at everything, y'all. See how everything is. Tato right here. Tato telling people what we seeing, man. This shit crazy. We got the 2023 gun show out Monroeville Convention Center. They got a lot of nice stuff, man. A lot of nice stuff. They got knives, swords, bulletproof vests, fake grenades. They got a lot of stuff. All the guns you can say or think of. It's nice, man.
You put it up on your sweatshirt, on your jacket, or something like that.
Oh, yeah.
The way it sets, it's $3.95.
Yeah.
The way it sets now, like that. But then once you put the inside in, it's $7.95 for the inside. They got 10 by 13 front and back. Then you got 6 by 12 on the side. It's the same vest that we carry. I got this one myself. I like this because I go depending on where I'm at. Whether I'm going to DC, depending on what I want to wear. Because I live right in the middle. Depending on where
are you from out here?
No, from Maryland.
Maryland?
Yeah.
So say from Baltimore?
Yeah, I got warehouses out the Eastern Shore. But I live like 15, 20 minutes from each one. So I'm directly in the middle. I work on the other side of the border.
This one. This is going to be the next one. I'm going to get.
That's what I'm saying, bro. It's so perfect. Oh my God.
I came up
Then you can take them, you can put the hard plates in it too.
Yeah, I like that one kind of.
Mine's got the hard plates and the soft plates in it.
Yeah, I want hard plates in my
like
shit.
this, but I want to go put this on under my sweatshirt.
Yeah.
Put the soft plates in there. But you can put both of them. They got a spot for the soft ones, and then they got a spot for the hard ones to go right in there. So you can go from one to the other, you know.
Yup. Got side plates. I like this one for real. Y'all know Desi Dezzo had one of these, son. Yeah. How you doing? What's that? Is that a grenade shooter? What is that?
It is. It's a grenade launcher.
Yo, you see that shit? Look at that grenade launcher. Right there, those two black men.
To launch these 37 millimeter projectiles, they'll go 100 yards, they'll bang at 170 decibels.
Woo!
Flashbang rounds.
Yo. Yeah, that's crazy. That's all the ammo right there. Look at that. They got one. They got everything over here. Look, they got mini grenades right there. Oh, excuse me, yo.
Whoa, I didn't even see them. Nah, y'all's lying.
Frag grenades. They got gas grenades too.
Them is real?
Yeah.
Fuck you up.
Jesus.
Seriously.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I got a lot of stuff. Wow. You hit a
Oh shit. These shits is. Oh my God, if you hit somebody with this, it's over. Dang, bro. How do you even control these bitches?
Them shit's so crazy. Walking around, basically. We just looking at stuff. I think Anth found a bulletproof vest. So we gonna see what he's grabbing. Me and Tato just looking at the knives and stuff like that. Looks good, man. It's nice out here.
Bulletproof filming, right?
Huh? No filming?
Yeah, no, you're not allowed. You'll get ejected, seriously.
All right, thank
Totally
you.
serious. You'll be thrown out.
Oh my Lord. Jesus is a fire. Homies.
He got Lord Jesus is a fire.
No, Tizzy. Me and Tato coming back for them.